Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Jace in League of Legends. Jace is a unique champion defined by his ability to swap between two distinct weapon forms, the Mercury Cannon and the Mercury Hammer. This R ability, Transform, grants him 6 unique skills, 3 in each stance. Understanding when to use each form is fundamental to his kit, allowing for powerful ranged poke or devastating melee burst. Mastering this mechanic is key to unlocking his full potential on the Rift. During the early game, Jace is a formidable laner. In cannon form, you can relentlessly poke enemies with your Shock Blast, especially when empowered by Acceleration Gate for increased range and damage. If an enemy gets too close, quickly switch to hammer form, Use to the Skies, for a powerful jump and thundering blow to knock them back, creating space or securing a kill. Focus on securing minion gold and denying your opponent's farm. As the game progresses into the mid-game, Jace truly shines with his item power spikes. Prioritize items that boost your attack damage and lethality, like a Duskblade of Drakthar or a Yaomu's Ghostblade, to maximize your burst. Look for opportunities to split push a side lane, drawing enemy attention, or rotate to join your team for skirmishes. Your empowered Shock Blast remains a potent tool for initiating fights or picking off isolated targets from a safe distance. In the late game, Jace's role in teamfights becomes more nuanced. Start by using your cannon form to poke down enemies from afar, softening them up before a full engagement. Once an opportunity arises, switch to hammer form to dive the enemy backline and eliminate high-priority targets, or use your crowd control to protect your own carries. Remember, Jace can be vulnerable if caught out, so careful positioning is paramount to ensure your continued impact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.